Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Misa and I am crazy about helping you enhance your foundation routine. But today we are doing a vlog. I just thought I'd take you throughout, little bits of my day, show you what I'm up to. First and foremost, I need to do my hair. Let me know down in the comments down below how often you wash your hair, once a week, twice a week, every single day. I usually do about once every 5 days. Washed my hair yesterday, so now I have to do it. I'm going to crimp it. And I just need to grab my heat protectant, which I can't find. Well, I'll use a different one then. It's not my favorite, but it's good. But my Bumble and Bumble one is what I gravitate toward. Okay, I'm wearing one of my favorite sports bras. This is the IVL sports bras. They're so comfortable. I actually like them better than Lululemon's. But I do have a mix. I'll have this one linked down below. Then I'm wearing my Lululemon high-waisted Align leggings. I'm going to be working out. Did I already say this? In like a couple hours. It's bicep day, folks. And yeah, I need to crimp my hair. Usually if I have to work out and do all this stuff, it's nice if I've already done my hair. I don't have to worry about it. Crimper that I'm using today, this is the Conair, I don't even know. I'll have it linked down below though. All of my hair products. Heat protectant, I'm going to use the Way Memory Mist. This is great. I use this before and after just to get my hair ready for the heat. When I crimp my hair, what I love about it is it looks kind of like wild and, I don't know, edgy. I love glam, edgy looks, and so I really loved crimping my hair lately, and it lasts a long time, like 5-6 days. And yeah, the only problem with crimping is it takes a long time. Like, this is going to be a 45-minute thing. I usually like to do it at night after my kids are asleep. One of my kids is asleep. Sorry if I keep looking over here, it's because I'm used to having my phone flipped around so the camera's right here, but now it's here. Hi. Yeah, but I think this crimper was only like $20, if that. Crimping is back in, folks.
Off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
Okay, just finished doing my hair. Love it. Like, look at this. And it just will stay like that for, quite some time. Usually I'll put some like texturizer spray right at my roots, but just another thing. I have no idea where it went. Anyway. Okay, I decided to come downstairs and just do like a really light makeup look. I'm going to use these little Tristique thing. I just want to do like a more cream, lightweight, no foundation kind of look today. So we'll see how it goes. Welcome to my very glamorous, super clean and organized filming setup makeup space. I always start out with, I like a hydrating primer. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish primer. This won't be a full tutorial. I'm just, oh crap. I think I got some of that on my leggings, which is fine. And then SPF, I like to wear SPF all year round. I know that the urgency of it isn't as much once the fall and winter hits, but I think it's important. And I love this one from Supergoop. And yeah, I'm just gonna get into the cream products. Chomps, what are you doing? Chomps. I'm just going in, I'm using this Tarte Shape Tape in the darker color. It's in deep sand, and I'm just kind of chiseling out a little bit of a contour, bronzer looking. I could have gone darker. This one pulls a little orange on me. What, bud? I'm downstairs. I'm down here, buddy. So, whoa. I finished filming for my Instagram. You should follow me on Instagram if you aren't already, because today is National Brow Day. Crazy, right? So I did like a little bit of a bushy brow, just a little bit. Oh. What? What do you see? Hi. I know. Ugh. Gotta get him the Nerf guns. They're both working. And I'm just over here making some chicken nuggets for the kids. These are from Costco. Oh my gosh, they're so good. So good. About to go work out. These are the shoes I'm going to wear. They're the Adidas Arkyn. So comfortable. Waffles, you okay, dude? Not good for leg day, but I'm doing arms today. Do you guys wash your shoes? I just throw these when I do towels if they need to pick me up. And then I just pull them out and I let them air dry. And I'm telling you, buddies. Oh man. Have you guys heard of reverse sneezing? I'm sure you have if you have dogs. Get some reverse sneezing going on. Waffles is almost 13 and then Chompers is 9. Oh, the kids are fighting. Yeah, my vlogging skills are lacking. I'm used to just sitting down and doing makeup, and here I am. I have to make sure we're in the shots. Malachi. I love the stance socks. These ones for working out. Just makes it easier. Yeah. What? Okay, are you ready to go? You gotta get a hat on if we're not doing your hair.
Do they wear hats in here?
Yeah, kids can. Just at preschool.
What?
Just at preschool, you can't wear a hat.
Okay. Somebody wasn't wearing a hat there.
Really? Maybe you can. I'll have to ask the teacher. I need to take a pre-workout. There's no question about it. I love the Alani new product line. I don't have a weird crash. I don't feel sick after it. It's just easy and it tastes good.
Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a.
All right, I worked out. It was awesome. I've been home for a little bit. Had some dinner. Got some dinner delivered. Costa Vida. Do you have one near you? It's amazing Mexican food. I made a post on my Instagram kind of about how I feel about why I all of a sudden now over the last year have decided to really commit to my YouTube channel. So you should definitely check it out, follow it, especially if you need some inspiration to chase your dreams, just because I think all of us really do have all these unique gifts inside of us that no one else has. Like, you have a unique gift inside of you that no one else has. And if you feel that prompting to share it with the world or to, expand on it, you totally should. So I just wanted to touch on that, give you the meat of this vlog.
Turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy.